In this video, we will break down the 5 best resin 3D printers. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Anycubic Resin 3D Printer. This Anycubic Photon M3 Max Resin 3D printer has truly remarkable features and capabilities. This is the largest among Anycubic's resin 3D printers, making it perfect for creating large-scale models and facilitating batch printing, thereby significantly improving production efficiency. The well-defined print details offered by the Photon M3 Max are equally impressive. Equipped with a 13.67 Kelvin HD mono screen, this printer manages to maintain precision even when dealing with larger prints. The combination of a Z-axis rail with a ball screw and a high contrast ratio of 450:1 ensures that it can faithfully reproduce intricate details, resulting in highly distinctive and intricate models. The Photon M3 Max excels in speed, thanks to its powerful matrix light source consisting of 84 neatly arranged LED lights. This design shortens the printing time for each layer to a mere 3 seconds, allowing for rapid printing at speeds of up to 60 mm divided by hour. The inclusion of the Anycubic Auto Resin Filler is a game changer. It intelligently replenishes resin and knows when to stop, preventing printing failures caused by insufficient resin. This feature not only saves time but also reduces the chances of wastage and failed prints, allowing users to work with greater freedom. The Anycubic Resin 3D printer, particularly the Photon M3 Max, is a highly advanced and versatile 3D printing solution. Its exceptional printing size, precision, speed, automatic resin feeding, and upgraded features make it a standout choice for both professional and enthusiast users. Number 2. Phrozen Resin 3D Printer. This Phrozen Sonic Mighty Resin 3D printer exceeded expectations with its impressive features and capabilities. One of its standout features is the ability to print big and maintain exceptional detail in 8 Kelvin resolution. The 2.8 resolution allows for incredibly crisp and sharp prints, proving that you don't have to compromise on detail when working on larger models. The design of the Sonic Mighty 8 Kelvin is impressive, featuring mighty specs and an enhanced LCD lifetime. The 10 LCD screen, along with 23.5 cm dual linear rails, enhances productivity and efficiency. The mono LCD within the printer is built for durability and a longer lifespan, ensuring a reliable performance over time. The Phrozen Go app is a valuable addition for users, allowing remote control of the 3D printer via a network connection. This app is designed specifically for Phrozen 3D printer users and provides convenient control over one or more 3D printers. The Phrozen Resin 3D printer, particularly the Sonic Mighty 8 Kelvin, is a top-tier 3D printing solution that offers both power and precision. Its impressive resolution, durability, compact design, consistent success rate, and convenience of the Phrozen Go app make it an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Resin 3D printer, specifically the Mars 4 Ultra 9 Kelvin, has certainly left impressed with its cutting-edge features and user-friendly design. The printer incorporates a chip-on-board light source and Fresnel lens design, resulting in a light angle within 5D, which enhances the realism of model details. This advanced design not only produces realistic models, but also ensures efficient heat dissipation, thus extending the printer's lifespan. The laser-carved platform and Z-axis linear guide rail provide strong adhesion to the model, resulting in a more stable printing operation. This not only reduces the risk of model failures, but also enhances the overall success rate. The user-friendly design extends to the printer's operation as well. With the Linux operating system, file transfers become more stable and faster. The upgraded 4 inches high-definition IPS touchscreen and the new UI interface design contribute to a more intuitive user experience. The printer also supports file transfers without needing to plug in a USB, and even allows for Wi-Fi transfer. The ELEGOO Mars 4 Ultra Resin 3D printer is a remarkable 3D printing solution. Its high-resolution LCD screen, efficient light source design, laser-carved platform, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. Number 4. Creality Resin 3D Printer. The Creality Resin 3D printer is an impressive addition to the world of 3D printing. The high-precision integral light source of this 3D printer is another noteworthy feature. Its self-developed integrated light source uses reflection and refraction techniques to achieve a light intensity of 4500 divided by cm2. This results in uniform light intensity distribution across the entire screen, with energy uniformity exceeding 90%. This technology ensures that your prints come out with exceptional quality and consistency. The ultra-steady Z-axis of the Halot 1 Plus features dual rigid linear rails and is driven by a powerful motor, along with a T-shaped screw rod. This combination ensures accurate and stable movement, greatly reducing wobbling and effectively handling larger and heavier prints with ease. The Creality Resin 3D printer is a top-notch choice for 3D printing enthusiasts and professionals. Its 4 Kelvin monochrome LCD, larger build volume, high-precision light source, sturdy Z-axis, and wide software compatibility make it a versatile and reliable 3D printer. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S is a game-changer in the world of 3D printing. With its 10.1 inches 12 Kelvin monochrome LCD screen, it delivers an astonishing resolution of 11,520 x 5120, providing unparalleled precision with an X accuracy of 19 microns. The level of detail it can achieve is simply mind-blowing, down to the thickness of a human hair. This 3D printer boasts a contrast ratio of 480:1, resulting in models with incredibly sharp edges and well-defined contours. One of the standout features is the leveling-free technology pioneered by Anycubic. Thanks to a mechanical sensor on the cantilever arm, it continually monitors the alignment between the printing platform and the floating leveling module during the printing process. This dynamic leveling system automatically adjusts as needed, eliminating the headache of manual leveling and greatly improving the overall success rate of your prints. Anycubic has gone above and beyond in making this 3D printer intelligent and efficient. It conducts a thorough device check and resin detection before each print, ensuring that the exposure screen, mechanical detection module, and motor are operating optimally. The Anycubic Photon Mono Resin 3D printer is a technological marvel. It offers exceptional detail, intelligent leveling-free technology, impressive speed, and efficient slicing software.
All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.